Right now what we're doing, this 12 karat heart shape, we're going detailing step by step. We made the inside. You can see the color here. It's a medium yellow color, fancy yellow diamond, which is pretty nice deep for a medium yellow. It's a very clean, it's a VS quality diamond. I would say VVS. And it's a certified GIA certified diamond. What we did all hand engraving on the outside walls. Just like we said, some people prefer a halo around the center stone, and some prefer just classic. So what we did on the shank, we did like white diamonds, and one this is perfected, and after perfect setting and polishing, you're going to see this yellow diamond way much yellower than what it appears here. That's why we go polishing inside the base and detailing all in between the prongs and the settings. You can see how detailed engraving. This is all done. I engraved it all by hand. This is pretty much like Art Deco engraving. You can see all the flat gold has been engraved. Just leave the base simple for the future if they need to size the ring bigger, smaller. And everything else is hand engraved. So once I complete this, we're gonna take a quick look again at it after finishing the diamonds. It's a U-cut European style setting. Split shank. One row goes longer to just meet all parts of the heart. The other one is shorter. So we'll continue setting this step by step, little by little. Make sure the fitting is perfect, edges are perfect, nicely polished, every edge, every little detail. And once we finish this, we're going to show you exactly how perfect it ended. Looks very dirty now, but give us an hour and you'll see what this little thing is gonna turn into.